Thank you for dinner, Dad.
My pleasure. Lucy! I order you to disengage immediately.
I'm not gonna let you hurt them.
Nothing's broken. She's lucky.
You saved my life. Thank you. Of course.
You let that thing get away. I thought you were on our side.
I tried. It fought harder this time, faster. Like it learned a thing or two from the last go.
It's like it knew you would choose to save those people. The tornado was just a diversion to get away. He used your humanity against you.
And now more innocent humans could be in danger. If anything else happens, you and the DEO will both be held accountable.
That's enough, General. My team analyzed Red Tornado's dermal covering. It's made of a biosynthetic polymer which contains traces of lead to suppress X-ray vision, right? The android wasn't meant to fight insurgents. It was designed to kill Kryptonians.
You've got Fort Ra's aliens locked up downstairs. Monsters, abominations. Some of them have wings. Some have horns. And others spit acid. Do you know the difference between them and her? She's blonde.
She saved you and your daughter tonight. You don't owe her fear and contempt. You owe her a thank you.
Maxwell Lord just called. Said he saw you on the news fighting Red Tornado. He wants to talk to me. Maxwell Lord, we know Dr. Morrow is still controlling Red Tornado. That's why it's targeting General Lane.
Morrow wants revenge on Lane for mothballing his project.
So if we take out Dr. Morrow, we take out Red Tornado.
So, how do we find this Morrow?
We draw out the android. Then we trace the relay signal Dr. Morrow is using to control it back to Dr. Morrow. Kara, keep Red Tornado occupied until I can shut it down.
Think you can keep your cool this time?
I'm not afraid of my anger anymore. I can use it. Channel it to work for me and not against me.
General Lane, I think we may have a solution that will rectify your screw-up, but I'll need your help.